What's the meaning of association? Association. Association.
Association. Association. Association refers to the act of connecting or linking something with another thing based on similarities or relationships. It is a common term used in various fields such as psychology, sociology, statistics, and business. In psychology, it describes how one idea, emotion, or sensation triggers another idea, emotion, or sensation due to their connection in the mind. In business, it is used to describe groups of people or organizations that work together towards a common goal. Overall, association represents the idea of creating connections between things to achieve a specific objective or gain a deeper understanding.